As mileage and age increase, your starter can wear out and struggle to deliver torque needed to turn over a diesel engine. This can result in slow cranking, hard starts, and inconsistent startup performance. When your truck doesn't start, everything else comes to a stop. The XDP HD gear reduction starter is designed to deliver fast cranking speeds and high torque for reliable starting in any condition. Built to handle the high compression and electrical demands of modern diesel engines, this starter is a direct fit replacement that delivers fast, reliable cranking every time you turn the key or push to start. In the box, you'll get an XDP HD gear reduction starter that comes pre-tested and ready for installation, with test results included. Each starter features a durable wrinkle black finish for corrosion resistance and long-term durability, while maintaining factory-style mounting and electrical connections for a straightforward installation. XDP's gear reduction design provides the torque needed to turn over aggressive diesel engines, delivering fast, consistent starting every time. These starters are built to be strong, reliable, and dependable in real-world conditions. If your truck is struggling to crank or you're dealing with inconsistent starts, don't wait until you're stuck. Upgrade your starter today with an XDP HD gear reduction starter.